So, the tech world is buzzing right now, and for good reason. We've got some exciting news about the upcoming iPhone SE 4 making waves across the internet. According to a report from Mark Gurman over at Bloomberg, we could be seeing the new iPhone SE 4 as early in 2025, which means likely sometime in March. That would line up with Apple's typical release schedule for the SE series. Both the first and third generations launched in March. Pretty consistent, right? Ming-Chen Kuo, the ever-reliable Apple analyst, has also backed this up. He reported that mass production for the SE 4 could kick off by December 2024, so a March 2025 launch seems pretty much on the money. This is all coming after years of back and forth about the iPhone SE's future. Back in 2019, Kuo was talking about an SE 4 with a full-screen design, kind of like the iPhone XR, but instead, we've seen two versions of the SE that still rock the iPhone 8 design. It's led to some questions about whether that full-screen design got scrapped or just postponed. Now, earlier this year, Kuo said that the SE 4 project had been cancelled for 2024, but just a few months later, he changed his tune, saying the project was back on. So, what can we expect from the next budget iPhone? Kuo even suggested the SE 4 could be a testbed for Apple's in-house 5G chip, which is pretty cool if true. So, what are we looking at for the specs? If all the leaks are to be believed, the iPhone SE 4 is expected to come with edge-to-edge display, yep, no more thick bezels. Face ID notch. Either the A17 Pro chip or the latest A18 Bionic chip. This will depend on the exact launch timing. 8 gigs of RAM to power Apple's AI features. It's shaping up to be a pretty solid upgrade for the SE series, and if Apple is really planning to push that in-house 5G modem, it could make the SE 4 a real powerhouse in the budget phone space. Now, of course, Apple hasn't officially confirmed any of this, so take it with a pinch of salt. But with all these leaks and info from sources like Gurman, Kuo, and others, it's looking more and more likely that we'll be seeing the SE 4 in March 2025. Are you excited about the iPhone SE 4? Drop a comment below and let me know what you think. And hey, if you want more early tech updates, make sure to join our Telegram channel for exclusive content. Catch you in the next one. Until then, take care.